Hey there everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful to help you start breaking those chains of unbelief and start allowing abundance to flow in every area of your life. So we are at day number 25 of the 28-day whiteboard work. And today we are going to get excited, give yourself permission, and take personal responsibility. Go straight to the whiteboard. And so we are going to feel the thrill of your heart's desire already made manifest. Okay? So search your heart. Let's root out unbelief, doubt, fear, anxiety, all of that. Let's take it off the whiteboard and let's go for you living your best life, okay? You have direct access to the whiteboard, okay? So whatever your heart's desire is, just know that even something infinitely better is possible. And so you're going to be allowing, just like we allowed miracles a couple of days ago, let's be allowing for something infinitely better, okay? So let's just say you have a business, okay? So you want to feel the thrill of more than enough clients coming to your business, okay? You want to feel the thrill of helping more than enough people have a better quality of life. You want to feel the thrill of people calling your business, asking you for your help, see if you have the product that they're looking for. You want to feel the thrill of more than enough monetary reward, okay? More than enough money. You want to feel the thrill of people coming from the north, south, east, and west with money in hand for your specific product or service. So start allowing miracles to happen and start feeling the thrill. Start giving thanks now before it's made manifest. And be happy, be joyous, have more fun. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. God bless you, your family, and all of creation with love and abundance beyond belief.